Hello, Kathryn here with iCraft Vinyl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful embossed vinyl shirt, just like the one I am wearing, by making this beautiful embossed vinyl skull. You can just see how it shimmers. I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned to see what happens. Okay, to start, I'm using a Cricut with Cricut Maker to be exact, and I'm going to be using an EasyPress to press this item. I put this in my design space and make sure it's sized correctly. I'm going to mirror my image since it will be going on a HTV. I'm going to select anything from glitter to light cardstock to medium cardstock. Just depends on what you are more comfortable with or how well you cut with your blade. You could even use a deep cut blade if you need to. If it for some reason doesn't cut all the way through, you could always cut it again. But be sure that you have your vinyl shiny side down. And with this vinyl, you can tell what is the shiny side and what is not, because you can see from the front, the backs will always be silver. And these ones, when you put your hand across the back, you will be able to feel the material of which it is. It cuts super easy, and it comes out extremely beautiful. You can see your cut lines in it. About this HTV, it is not like your traditional HTV. You can use a heat press, an EasyPress, and a home iron. It varies in different colors depending on what you need it for. And it comes in a holographic just like this one. It gives it a dramatic effect to your design, and it's sure to pull attention to what you have made. So as you see with this piece I'm using, it's got that beautiful rainbow effect as you go down it. This material is the holographic color that the emboss carries. The silver and the gold will look like this. So when you go to press it, you can use a heat press, an easy press, an iron. Just make sure you press it for 10 seconds if you're using a press. For 310 is what iCraft recommends. You could do 315 if you feel it needs the extra temperature, which sometimes I do. But always make sure you're giving it enough pressure. And if you use a home iron, never, ever, ever use steam on it. If you use steam, it won't hold. Just make sure you press it correctly with enough pressure. Make sure it's nice and pressed down. Always check a corner if you don't think it's all the way down before trying to remove your backing. And when you're done, you let it cool off. This is going to be a cold peel. This material is a layerable material, but it's only a top layer material. So if you want to layer it, you can put something underneath it. Just make sure that one is also layerable. And by layering it, it's 5 seconds each press. And then at your final press, after everything is down and all the backings are removed, you will then press it for the full amount of time in which it needs to be. Such a beautiful material. I absolutely love this material to use. It gives that dramatic effect that you normally don't get with other vinyls. And you're always going to recover it before you press it on that last press or any other layer press with a parchment paper or a Teflon sheet. If you use parchment, non-waxed, and you're going to do it the full amount of time. This is amazing material to use. It comes in lots of different colors. They're very dramatic. They're very beautiful. But the silver and the gold will always shine like this one does. I hope you are inspired to try this material. I hope you loved this video, and I look forward to making you some more in the future. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.